define Cool Smasher for you?
Pang Miss Universe ang question. Pero for me, talaga, alam kong sobrang, na to, malumang, sabihan, pero family talaga ang Cool ngayon.
And, naging mahigpit at tight yung game this time around. Anong nangyayari? What happened during those tight sets?
Ay, sorry, po?
Anong nangyayari? What was going on in your mind? What were the adjustments that you had to do para makuha nyo yung panalo this time?
Balik lang kami ulit sa umpisa. Yung mga mistakes namin, sa training na po namin naayusin yon. Pero ang mahalaga yung kung ano yung nangyayari sa ngayon. So nag-focus kami doon and nagtyaga kami, ginabahan namin yung pasensya namin sa rest.
And I'm sure a lot of our fans watching here